Hey, what's up, Sim here. Today we are going to take a quick look at Poco watch, Poco's first watch. So, as you can see from the picture, it's probably, Xiaomi Watch Color 2 or something. Yeah, anyway, let's just unbox it. Special thanks to Simi for lending me the product for unboxing. Okay, let's just get it naked. Okay, you got the watch, and then under that you get cable. Okay, Type-C cable, right? Or no? This is a proprietary charging port and a chunky manual in how many languages? Let me check. You can check it out. All right, so that's the watch. So at the strap, as you can see, is quick release, right? Just press here, and bang! You can change to another one, another color, whatever color you want. Charging contacts and heart rate sensor, and that's okay. Let me walk you through the everything. The power key, all right. Okay, so that's the interface. So long press on the interface, you get to change different surfaces. All right, I like this one. Okay, change this one. Okay, now swipe down is the notification, nothing new. Swipe up, you get to see shortcuts like alarm, torch, and settings. Okay. Ooh, watch faces, brightness. Okay, let's see. What adjust? Level 3, you can adjust it to as far as 5. Okay, let's just adjust to 5. And Bluetooth. Okay, so I will give you a quick look at the app later. Vibration system about the watch. Okay, that's it. Okay, so up left, you get to see the heart rate. And this is major. This is SpO2, right? Sleep, workout, and this the overall fitness data. Okay, this is the main interface. And swipe right. Okay, the same but in reverse order. Okay, let me just just test some items for you to see if I'm in good health. Because yesterday I just stayed up again to do that Vivo X80 Pro video. If you haven't watched it, please give it a watch and like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Okay, I will just measure SpO2. Okay, 96%. Is this normal? Is this normal? 96 should be 98. I'm a little bit scared now. Anyway, you just short press the power key, you get to see different apps. Fitness, note or record. SpO2, heart rate, sleep, and music. Even the music, okay. You have to connect to your phone to listen to music. Stopwatch. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's the walkthrough. Very, very simple, and it's no different to many other Xiaomi watches I've reviewed before. So my first impression, is this Poco watch feels really lightweight, and also that means cheap. Feels cheap, but it has everything you need, like a basic smartwatch. You see as a colorful AMOLED display and blood oxygen, and even it has GPS and 5 ATM water resistant. Right? Currently, I don't know the price of it, but I guess it wouldn't be expensive. So yeah, not bad, right? Also, let me check the app. So that's the app. The first column is the health. Everything you do is here, and then the workout. The workout, outdoor running, walking, treadmill, and device. Here you can change things, change your different settings, app notifications. You can choose which app to show the message notification on your smartwatch. Blood oxygen, stress, apps. Oh, you can control your phone camera through it. Okay, let me take a photo to see if it works. What's this? Seems not working. So okay, it's not working anyway. And then let's profile. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe to my channel and Sammy's channel. I'll see you in the next one.